Hup, we're live right here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. What a fine Friday it turned out to be. Man, it was nice. Yep, this is Mike at Mike's Magic Auto Detailing and Paint Enhancement here in Sharpsburg, Georgia. All right then. That's a refrigerator magnet, folks. If you want one of those, absolutely free, no obligations, no nothing. Just shoot me a PM with your address, your name and your address, and I'll drop one in the mail to you. Nothing else to it. That's all there is to it. That's it. Oh boy, some of you who have been with me on the last few videos are familiar with this project I've been working on. 2009 Saab Hotrod. Got a cam in it and everything. Oh boy. I'll tell you what. Look at all the stuff I've had to get out. And hell, I've put most of it away. Or a lot of it. Look at all this stuff. Holy cow. Man. Done put all my buffers away. I use just about every buffer I have. And pads and polishes and all kind of stuff. And I'm 98% finished with this Saab. I need about another half a day or more to completely button it up. But the owners are going out of town first thing in the morning, I think, to the races. Maybe she's going to race this again. I don't know for sure. But anyway, they need to come pick it up, and I've got it where they can take it, and hopefully they can bring it back as soon as I get back to town. It won't take me long to finish up. I got to do the door jambs. I got to finish restoring the trim. I've already done all the prep work. If they can take it off, go wherever they need to go, come back, and all I'll have to do is wipe it down with some alcohol and then do the solution finish and the Cerakote trim coat and all that kind of stuff. I wanted to do the wheels and tires up a little bit better. He said don't worry about the wheels too much, but I did want to coat the tires, but I'm not going to have time to do that. Oh boy. But she's been strip washed. Hey John! She's been strip washed, deconned, claybarred, all that stuff. And I did basically a one-step, which in many places turned into a two-step process. And did a little damp sanding here and there. There were some deep scratches, if y'all recall the previous video and photos I posted, particularly in through here. So I damp sanded those out. I just had to. That wasn't in their budget, but I had to do it. They're basically all gone now, and they continued on back. You can see there where there's one that was just too deep to completely go after, but they're just stuck with that one. The only way to fix that any better now is at a paint shop. I polished all the windows, all the glass, what we call a topical polish, headlights, taillights. Yeah, buddy. Like I said, I stripped down all that trim, and I did put a coating on it, but it's just very light coating just to last till they get back. Took the license plate off, did all up under there, did the license plate itself, the license plate frame. Cleaned this up as best I could. That'll be one of the things that gets restored when they bring it back to me. Maybe that. You can see, this is the owner. Well, the owner's husband. Revhara Garage right here in Noonan, Georgia. Yes, folks, and he does have a YouTube channel as well. Some pretty cool videos on there. But yeah, we buffed all this stuff out. Yep, there was some scratches here, and did a little damp sanding in this area here. There were some deep scratches and a white chip that had a lot of transfer to it, so the white transfer went away. Some in this door, all gone. And after all that was done, the entire vehicle was paint prepped, and a high quality titanium sealant was put on here. They didn't have budget for the titanium coating. Maybe next time, maybe next time. Oh boy, yeah, I can't wait for them to get back so I can finish up all this trim. This all needs to be restored. Yeah, you know, it all does that. I don't care what kind of car you got. Yeah, the hood turned out very nicely. Polished this sunroof. Had to do that by hand. You don't want to put a buffer on the sunroof, folks. They're too fragile. You never know what might happen. Polished up the mirrors. Man, I had to use my little polishers, my big polishers, my medium-sized polishers, all of them. Everything was used today, all different kind of stuff. But I just wanted to catch all up right quick. The whole front end's been sealed and everything. The headlights, I sealed those. The headlights, the tail lights, everything. All that was cleaned very meticulously. It only comes so clean. But I think it all looks pretty good. I'm pretty happy with it, except that I don't get to finish it tomorrow because they'll be off playing in it. But hopefully when they get back, they'll bring it back to me and I can finish this up. I hate letting one go, John, before I'm completely done with it. But sometimes it just happens, I guess. They got somewhere they want to go tomorrow, and this is going with them. So they're going to have to come pick it up. Waiting for them to call me now. I appreciate you dropping by, John. Yeah. If you got any questions about what I did, how I did it, what I used, equipment-wise, product-wise, you know, hey, shoot me a PM if you want to, and I'll answer it for you. Not a big deal. Not a big deal to me. Like, share, tag, follow, subscribe, comment, thumbs up, thumbs down, please. All that stuff, or whatever is appropriate to you. But I am real happy with the way this paint turned out for a one-step, and some places a two-step, in some places a three-step process. But it don't get much better than that at this level. You know, I have a couple other levels up from this that are available. It's just all a matter of budget, just a matter of budget. All right, folks, I appreciate y'all. Y'all have a great weekend here. Goodbye now.